Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable automatic app updates in Microsoft Store. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Manage Microsoft Store app updates. Choose to pause or enable automatic updates. Disable or pause automatic updates. Open the Microsoft Store. Go to Profile, then Store Settings. Toggle the App Updates switch off. On Windows 11, this only pauses updates for 1 to 5 weeks. After that, updates resume automatically. Enable automatic updates. Toggle the switch on. Apps will update automatically when new versions are available. Notes: Windows 11 limitation. Microsoft no longer allows permanent disabling of updates. You can only pause them for up to 5 weeks. Manual updates. Even with auto updates off, you can always update apps manually via downloads. Check for updates. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.